everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks for another video. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Zena. This is Wyatt. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. I do try to mix it up with a lot of fun videos. Today is all about the pups. So the sidekicks are going to be excited about today's video because I realized I am not caught up on the BarkBoxes. So we have 3 of those. And I have a brand new subscription to my channel. This is the Holiday Howl Box. And this is a super fun subscription for pets and pet owners for the holidays. This is a quarterly subscription, but it comes out only for holidays. It comes out on Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, 4th of July, $200 a year for all 4 holidays, so for the entire year. And we're going to check this out because it has goodies for your pet as well as for you. So let's get into it right now. I'm super excited. All right, let's get into the new one first. And then I have 3 BarkBoxes that we're going to get into that are going to be super fun. I know, Zena, you're going to be excited, right? I know. Shh. Shh. All right, so Wyatt's going to want to dig into this one right away, but the Holiday Howl Box typically comes with a wearable, like a bandana and or a collar or a leash for your dog. It also comes with toys and chews, as well as potential edibles for the pup, like biscuits and treats. They're being very distracting today, aren't they? Wyatt really wants to get into this box. But there's also an item for the pet owner. So let's dig right into this box before the puppers go absolutely crazy. You ready, Z? I know. You can pay for this quarterly, or you can pay for it annually. And the item for the human is usually a lifestyle item or a home decor item specific to the holiday. All right, Wyatt, I know you're very excited. Look how pretty that is. Can I open it? I love the paw print sticker. Wyatt is digging right in. Shh. Shh. So it says, Holiday Howl Box, Happy Halloween, Safe and Healthy Treats. And it tells you what is safe for pets. And it tells me what is inside the Howl Box. All right, so it looks like there is some fun things in here. So let's get in here, including something for you, Zena, that you'll be very happy about. So first up, what do I see? What is this? So this looks like a dog treat holder. Is that what this is? Like a little dog treat holder, has little paw prints on it. Zena's going to bark through this whole video until we get some food in her mouth. But look how cute that is. Is that for dog treats? You're going to put a dog treat in there? We will try that out. What's Wyatt? Wyatt found the toys. Check that out. Look how cute that is. So it's a little rope toy. Zena, shh. Let me find treats for you. Here we go. I found them. These are tail bangers. It says dog treats. Happy Halloween. It's so cute. Look at these. These look messy in my living room. But Zena will be happy. We're just going to make her happy because she's never going to let this go. So here. All right. Now we can talk while she makes a mess in my living room. Okay. It says that these are made from, it looks like all natural ingredients like whole wheat flour, whole rolled oats, eggs, canola oil, peanut butter, honey, cinnamon, yogurt coating, and non-perils. So it says, be the person your dog thinks you are. So that's the first box of goodies. There's a second one in here as well. Looks like they're the same. All right, so we got 2 boxes of goodies. We have 2 treats because I have 2 puppers. So we have 2 of these that Wyatt is now paying attention to his toys. I also received a slip-on color band, and I think I have 2 of those for the both puppers. Check that out. And they say we'll do tricks for treats, but it looks like it is reversible. It says slip-on collar. On the inside, it says Happy Halloween. So it looks like you can reverse this. Where's my scissors? We're going to check this out. And it looks like both of these are a size large. And you can get subscriptions for multiple dogs. So you can let them know how many dogs you have and order appropriately. Look how cute that is. So these are slip-on. So let's check this out so I can figure out how to do this. Slip collar bandana. Oh, it goes, oh, I get it. So there's holes right here, and the collar goes right through that, and that is really cool. So the collar goes right through this seam right here, and then it fits right on them. So I'll have to take one of their collars off in order to get this on. That is adorable. I love that. Then you know it stays right in place and you don't have to worry about it. All right. Then next up is the human item. I'm making sure I got it all. I think I did. This is so cute. And it's a little saying. It says, beware of wiggle butts. How cute is that? Beware of the wiggle butts. It's a little saying. Is that not adorable? Has the little footprints. I love it. It's wide enough that you can just set that right down as a little sign. I love it. That is adorable. So it tells me right on the back that there is, in this Howl Box, the reversible linen collar bandana. It comes in one size, so one size only. The linen and rope squeaky toy. The Tail Bangers all natural dog treats. Then the beware of the wiggle butt sign. And then the dog tree holder, which I showed you first. So that's everything inside this box. I love it. So I will put all the information for Holiday Howl Box down below in case you would like to check this fun subscription out. I love that they include something for the humans as well. And of course, I do have a code for you. If you use my code, which is HOWL10, you'll get $10 off your subscription. HOWL10. I'll put all that down below for you. All right, so now we have BarkBox. And you guys are very familiar with BarkBox. We have 3 to get through, so we're going to do them pretty quickly. The puppers are going to be thrilled. Wyatt finished his treat, so he's paying attention now. You get BarkBox based on the size of your dog. For Wyatt's size, it's $21 a month. You get 2 toys, 2 treats, 2 bags of treats, plus an extra treat in every box. You can always buy extras and add-ons. They also have a dental box, and they also have food subscription that you can get as well. And they also have super chewer collections if you have dogs that get through the toys and destroy them too quickly. All right, and there's always an amazing theme. So this one was back to school. I'm guessing this one was probably September or maybe even August, because I think I have August, September, and October here. I love this. This is Bark to School. It says you and your pup are going bark to school, and we've got all the supplies you need to pass playtime with flying collars. With your best friend by your side, this is finally the year that you're going to drool to school. Braces and the cone of shame are so last year. So first up is a backpack, and this is adorable. Bark pack, it says. Look at that little bark pack. That is so cute. It says, do you lick me? Instead of like me. Behind the squeak. It is a crazy crinkle, a multi-part toy, 2 squeakers, and nylon strapping here. All right, Wyatt, that's the first one. Then we have little Sharpies. Oh my, how cute these are. Zena's still working on her treat, by the way, so she's probably off camera just eating. But check those out. Sharpie toys. Those are the toys. Then we have chicken stick recipes, treats. We have Cobble soft bakes. These look like little cookies. And then we also have Clucky Clucky jerky cuts here. So those are the bags of treats. And some of the other fun toys that you could have gotten was a Shar-Pei High Licker, a Participation Star. There's a Drool juice pack. Check those out. So cute. The Trapper Squeaker, the Squeak-U-Lator Calculator. So many other cute ones. All right, there's still more. Next up, this one, so this one has to be October. This is the Halloween party. It says, hellhounds from the netherworld and adorable pups from the dog park are hereby invited to the most petrifying Halloween party. It's a monster mash bash with spooky toys to thrash. There are plenty of tricks to play and treats to sink your fangs into. Just be careful, the squeaks are coming from inside the house. Check how cute that is. All right, so Wyatt already ripped the look how cute this is, Count Dracula. Oh my, he's ripping it. Look how cute. That is so cute. All right, wait, what's this toy, Wyatt? Oh, it's a little ghost. This one is the this is the sheep-faced little, little ghost. It says, when this ghost is three sheets to the wind, they don't glide through the walls. They bump into them. This is so cute. All right, Wyatt likes that one. We'll let him have it. Those are the two toys in this one. We got more chicken steak recipes. These dogs are going to be so happy they have all of these treats. The Gobble jerky squares, as well as Clucky jerky sticks. So these are sticks. These look like little flat, almost like a bacon type treat. All right, Wyatt, we still have one more. What is this one? You ready? This one looks like, oops, I need scissors, Wyatt, it's not coming open. What's this one? Wait, wait, Wyatt, I can't get it out. Wait a minute, wait, don't come near the scissors. Let's see, I can't get the box open. I know, Zena, you want more treats now? You really are all about the treats, aren't you? You really are all about the treats. So this one was probably August. This is BarkBox Playcation Italy. Oh, this was cute too. All right, Wyatt's just ripping treats out. We've got chaos going on. We're going to open the Gobble Soft Bakes and quiet Zena up. There you go. Okay. Oh, those smell good. All right, so this one says, Playcation Italy, trade in your butt scooters for Vespas and say buongiorno. We're taking a Roman holiday from Venice to Sniff Sicily with plenty of squeaky signores and treats to boot. Dig in Tuscanines and chow chows. It's time to express your canal glands. All right, that was super fancy. These toys are adorable. So this is Mutto Penny Pasta. Check out the pasta. Is that not adorable? What's the one you just took out? This one is, oh, St. Bark's Pigeon. So he rides in here. Is that not adorable? So this one's got, oh, there's the squeaker. And he's in like a little canal, like a little, a little boat. What's that called? Gondola. That's what I'm trying to say. Gondola. What is, shh. What does this say? Zena, you have gotten all kinds of treats. Please stop. This gondolier has a beautiful squeaking voice, but he's got not exactly a homing pigeon. He's always gets lost on the way to the Dogi Palace. Look how cute. And then he has a little gondola. That is adorable. All right. Oh, this time we have Clucky Yummies. Zena. Gobble jerky bars. And Wyatt whipped something out, which I think was the chicken. Which we're going to let Zena, with her incessant yapping, try that. You have to come in here and get it, Zena. There you go. All right. I have quite the mess going on here now. There are toys and treats everywhere. Let me know what you thought of all of these fun toys and my 3 months worth of BarkBox. I'm going to have to take pictures of them in these cute little bandanas. Aren't they adorable? With their little collars. That will be so cute. I love it. Wyatt will look really good against his fur. Huh. The black. Zena will do orange. What do you think, Zay? That'll look really cute on you. All right. We'll get those out. We're going to clean up. I will put all the information for the holiday box down below for you. Don't forget, if you use the code HOWL10, right? Let me make sure I got that right. HOWL10, you'll get $10 off your subscription. $50 a quarter, you can do it all at once, and then it would be $200. And as you saw, you get wearables, tearables, and edibles, as they say, which are biscuits and treats. That's how they describe that. And then for the human, you get a themed home decor or lifestyle item. And then there is a bonus item for the first 500 subscribers who sign up, so you should also get a bonus item. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me today and having fun with the pups. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Hope you hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe if you already have. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You make all of these videos possible. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.